out, everybody. Boo says, let's be 99%. Take this country back, fool. Yo, I put on my mask. I'm doing a rap. 99%. What do you know about that? We're 99.8. Don't you even try to hate. People on the Wall Street occupying. Everybody on the street ain't even lying. Look at this mash. You seen the movie up in France? A future movie with that girl from Star Wars. Yeah, and this is a new rap from Papa Boom Boom in the world. Come on. 99%, 99%, 99%. Yo, we're in America. We're tired of sitting back, watching government take everything like that. Get your mask on, get your march on. Go to the Capitol and get your groove on. Occupy Harrisburg, be getting it on. See, I'm having fun. The new song, I'm a juggalo. This is how I live. Big powerful boom boom. Come on, juggalos, yo. You need to make videos. You need to make raps. Show them that the juggalo thing is fat. Don't let them dish you up in this world, cause Boomer's got you covered up in this world. Don't let them play games 99%. Don't let them play games 99%. We're 99.8% now. Yeah, as we see the big moguls getting pushed down and Boomer's rap with this juggalo sound. Got my mask on, got some vendetta going on. You wish you could keep over Boom Boom like that, but I keep tagging you in the face like that. 99% boy. Yo, come on, kick it. Well, I'm the king of juggalos, king of juggalos. I keep juggling, don't you know? Don't even have to put makeup on. Got my vendetta mask and I'm getting it right on. So in 2012, we're gonna go tomorrow. We're gonna keep protesting each other. Occupy, big top of boom boom. Yeah, yeah. This is a new beat from the juggalo scene. Big top of boom boom Facebook thing. Get my music on, CD baby. Juggalo getting it on. 99% fool. You can't buy our votes, fool. You don't even know who you are, fool. We're coming to get you. We're coming to get you. Big Papa Boom Boom Brown, Juggalo King, getting it down. Come and see me up on Facebook, Big Papa Boom Boom Brown. How, tell, motel, go, yo, party people. You ain't gotta do all this. All you need to do is just get with the beat. See how Boom Boom's doing it? Come on. I'm the master of rap. I'm the king like that. Everybody hates me because I keep coming back. When you think I'm on vacation, that is a laugh. It's a laugh. If you want to see me live with my mask on, I'm going to come over the stage with my mask on and go and dance real hard. Yo, Big Papa Boom Boom Brown. Come on. You know what I'm talking about. You know, all those years sit back watching the TV getting upset. Don't get upset. Yo, you need to be like Big Papa Boom Boom getting it on. Bitches your own business, Boom Boom entertainment on. Entertain the people with your good time song. Here's a little banana dance, getting it on. 99%. 99. What you know about that? Yo, coming at you with the brand saying 99% we are the brand. Nobody really cares what the government says. We're going to vote them out in 2008. Obama, you better vote Obama. Cause those Republicans are saying 1, 2. Well, I flipped the script, coming down like this. I'm the king of rap, better do it like this. Got my vendetta, man. Got my smile on. Got my mohawk on. And I'm getting it on. So fly, so fresh, so fly, so fresh. 99%, and we're better than the rest. See me bob my head. I'm so hot. Well, you didn't think Boom Boom would come and hit you like this. Hit you like this. See my master like this. Make you laugh so hard like this. 99%, what do you know about that? What you know about that, man? I'm just telling you, I'm Big Papa Boom Boom Brown. 99%, I'm not a wreck. Every time I rap, I get back up again. You can knock me down, you can take me away, but Big Papa Boom Boom coming in your day, yeah. This is my new sound, coming at you hard. You gonna need yourself just a bodyguard. Don't you even play the chump, me chump. I can't even tell, yo, I'm gonna flip back on my ass. Juggalo King. Juggalo. Oh, you like me now? Over the intro, 99% now. Be down there and protest, man. How you like me now? Oh. Here he goes again. Here he goes again. Making people laugh. Goes on this everything. He always wrong. He don't want to come and win. Got my juggalo mask. Well, I know what I'm doing. Taking my time. Bring another Big Papa Happy rhyme, huh? And I'm spinning it trying fresh. I know you're digging it cause it is the best, huh? Got me so free.com, free.com, I'm the bomb, huh? Well, you know what? My friends say, get 'em Big Papa, get 'em Big Papa. Show 'em how to do it cause they ain't even got it. They ain't got your have talent like this. And they wish they could put on a mask like this. Oh, but I'm the king of the juggalos. The king of the juggalos. As we topple the government and then we go, we can all have happy meals. No jug, 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 roll camera, jug. Let me tell you about me. Look, yo, check it out. I'm a master actor and I do it like this. I be making films, yeah, just like this. And I don't even care cause I don't miss. Here I go with my Vendetta mask twist. I don't even slip when I'm rapping on the mic. I don't know what it is. I must be a genius, right? Or maybe I just like to smile like my man says. I'm a juggalo king. But I'm here. I'm hitting you hard. I'm hitting you so hard cause I am a star. Watch me bob my head like this. Come and give a dance for a dance like this. You ain't gotta stand up and no capital enough to say this. I'm in the club and I'm not gonna miss. Oh, I do my shows across the world for all the boom boom girls who say tricks. I had a habit, tricks, I had it, hello, it's American Toss, and that's how I became a superstar, you know. Lost it on YouTube, way time ago. Boom with the rabbit heads, go, take tricks. I had a habit. I'm gonna end this with for trying. So let me tell you a story, about a trick rabbit, Let me tell you a story, about a trick rabbit. It goes tricks. I had a habit. Tricks, that I grab it. It's about cereal in my bowl, and it's tricks, you know. Thank you for your time. I'm Big Papa Boom Boom Man, really kind. Check me out on Facebook if you dare. I'm getting down over here, getting down over there, huh? I don't really care what I do, because every time I do, I always win. As you know, but you were me, Big Papa Boom Boom Entertainment. CDBaby.com, Boom Boom Brown. Get my Here Comes the Boom, Here Comes the Boom, Here Comes the Boom. www.cdbaby.com, the Master MC. Big Papa Boom Boom will keep you happy all year long. Born an analytical genius, I really need this. I need to spit this rap. And every time I try to do things, they all come out fly like that. Huh? I know you've been dancing to all these lyrics, cause the beats got you beating on the up and down. But I put songs like chicken and beer in your head. Here goes another boom boom song. Chicken and beer, chicken and beer. Chicken and beer. Chicken and beer is all I need right here. Cause chicken makes me feel good. Chicken and beer. Got this mask on, juggalo here, huh? Uh-huh. Well, I make songs about anything I want. I'm on CD Baby, man, don't you lie. Big Papa Boom Boom Brown on CD Baby got 2 CDs. The first one is Here Comes the Boom, Here Comes the Boom, Here Comes the Boom. And then we kick it up and let's all rock it out. It's my second CD. Launch at 3 a.m. in November, see. Come and get me, and this is my hand. When you want boom like this, call me up, kid. Want from all this Trice? Fair play. You want me with a mask? Trice is nice. Promote myself. Boom Boom's off control. Thank you for listening to my master rap. Boom Boom's gotta go, and that's the end of that. Cha-cha-cha-cha.